Nobody will save you. Not your mom, not your spouse, not your children, nobody will. You want your life to change? You have to change. Hi guys, my name is Liz and welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we are going to talk about if you don't like yourself, you have to create another person. We see celebrities talking about this a lot. We see Beyonce says whenever she goes on stage, she's not Beyonce, she's Sasha Fierce. A very good example of this is goggles. Goggles make you see who grew up and he got into poverty. He gained a lot of weight, he lost weight, he got America. This man did incredible things. ever promote anything because I did not want my followers to buy something that I did not use myself. So I would get so many questions from brand deals and emails and offering me a lot of money, and I always declined because either I use it myself and I promote it, or I don't promote it at all and I do not care about the money. That's how passionate I am about this. I did this thing for a while for free. Right now I am making money off of this. Not through brand deals and stuff, but I am. So